Welcome to Bree and Janelle Gittins Studio. My name is Bree Gittins, and I am the founder and the creative director of the studio above. And we're currently filming in Toronto. So in my recent video, I talked about how to take care of your clothes. I gave some tips. These are simple tips you can use. Watch that video if you haven't. Let's get started on how to wash your clothes. Washing your clothes is all about organizing your clothes. Yeah, it takes time to get your clothes washed. If you're doing big loads or you're doing small loads, it's easier. But I do have to wait for my clothes to pile up to wash because my whites have to be with my whites, and I have to use all my whites before I wash my whites. And then I have colorful clothes and I have my blacks. And I have my jeans that go with that one. So, washing is a lot of work. Because you have to wash it. You have to put in a dryer. You have to hang it. Or you have to hang it to dry and come back a couple of days later and then hang it. So, there's a lot that goes into washing your clothes. But washing your clothes is so important for outfit repeaters like me. I don't wash my clothes a lot of the time because I like to pile up my clothes and do big loads of laundry. I've always been that person. I'm like, pile your clothes. Since high school, like, pile up your clothes and then do laundry. And college, I did the same thing. And now it's like, I don't have to do that, but I work in a uniform, so I don't have much. The laundry that I currently have was just pajamas and some older clothes that I have that I don't want to get rid of. I have recently got rid of a lot of my clothes. Like, I think I've gotten rid of four bags of clothes over last year, and I just got rid of another one bag this year. Sorry, just one bag this year. I got rid of clothes. They're college clothes. College don't cut it no more. Like, college clothes don't cut it anymore. All my high school stuff is gone. So, I am restarting my clothing journey. I am working with a theme coming soon. Yeah, so let's get started on how to wash your clothes. Okay. The first thing when it comes to washing your clothes, put it in piles. Put in a massive pile of clothes. And then organize them into little groups. You have your whites, your blacks, your colors. Well, your blacks, you can add your jeans. Yeah, so, yeah, your colors, pajamas, underwear, delicates, socks. Am I missing anything? No, I don't think I am. I think that's everything that is in a group. And then you have special clothing that needs to be dry cleaned, or most clothes could go. Your winter coat sometimes could go in the dryer, the washer. Sometimes, or you could just spot clean it. Spot cleaning does the work too. So organizing your clothes will help you do your loads easier. So if you have all those clothes, you put it down to 5 piles or less of clothes. So each pile, you just wash each pile as you go, put in the dryer or hang it to dry, and the cycle repeats itself. So that's what I personally do, because I believe that I don't want to be looking for each load that I do. I do not want to be organizing another pile. It's too much work. I don't want to waste my time. Doing laundry alone is work. I know you get like an hour break, but it's still work. You still gotta come back, put it in a new machine, put another load in. It's a lot of repetitive work. So organize your clothes. My next one is, I'm going to talk about this a lot, is look at the label when you are washing your clothes. If it's a new garment you've never washed, always look at the garment. Always look at the label. If you're comfortable with the clothing, the fabric choice, like if it's cotton, cotton and polyester sometimes can go into the machine, into the dryer. So just always look at the fabric label, because you don't want to put something that doesn't belong in the dryer and destroy that garment you just bought or you recently bought or something like that. Yeah, that's what I do. I think it's important to do that. Sometimes your mind will be like, okay, this is a cotton jogger. I could put this in the washer. Okay, I could put that legging for a few minutes in the dryer. Fine, that'd be fine. Nothing bad's gonna happen to it. It's all about knowing your fabrics, reading that label, and knowing that, reading the symbols, because they show you the symbols on the garment. So you look at the symbol, okay, can't be done, or the words, and your clothes would be ready to go. Yeah, always take your time to know the fabric you're using. After you finish all that, you looked at the label, you put in the machine, everything is done. You know what's next? Finishing your laundry. That's how you properly wash your clothing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.